Hey friends, if you wish to perform a network reset on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First, I'll explain the procedure and then I'll explain its use. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Okay, and in the right pane, scroll down and click on network reset. Click on reset now and then click on yes to reset the network settings. What is this and what does it do? So network reset means resetting all the network parameters, which means resetting the TCP IP protocol, resetting WinSock, flushing the DNS, and then what do we say, resetting the dynamic IP address and all networking components, and also what do we say, reinstalling the network adapters. If you were to do it manually, it would take a lot of time. I'll explain this. So if I open the device manager and expand the list of network adapters, right click on it, uninstall it, click on action and scan for hardware changes. That would be a cumbersome procedure. And network reset, I am saving a lot of time by combining so many commands with one button only. And whenever I face issues with my network, I simply click on network reset and it usually fixes it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.